I agree.
I'm a mental health person. I'm off my meds. Everybody knows, including your department. I'm okay. Okay?
And I'm just trying to figure out.
And I'll tell you, what happened was I threatened her. She approached me. And then the other man told me to shut up. They didn't mind their business.
A Federal Way woman, a Safeway parking lot, and a choice she would not get to take back. Officers responded to a disturbance. Multiple customers had been threatened, and she was still in the parking lot when they arrived. Witnesses said she threatened to run people over with her car, then announced she had a gun and would shoot them all.
Did you?
She was threatening other customers. And
okay, did she threaten you?
No, she did not.
She did not threaten you? Are any of these other customers around?
They might be still in the store, yes.
Can you go see if you can find them?
Sure. Okay.
And then if anyone, I need to know, ask them if the other customers are still around, if they want to come talk to the police or press charges.
Will do.
Hey, Officer Quay, our Federal Police Department.
Hey.
Just so you know, you're being audio and video recorded.
I'm always being audio and video recorded.
So what's going on?
Under Washington harassment law, a credible threat of bodily harm does not require a weapon to be present. Class C felony, up to 5 years per count.
The man that I bumped into him in his cart, he aggressively approached me with my kids. I cussed him out.
Yeah.
Then another man told me to shut the up, and I went off.
Are you involved in any way?
No.
Can you just, thank you.
No, he's just at his car. He's fine, you guys. And I threaten everybody. Don't address me with my children.
Okay.
That's it. There's nothing to see here.
Good if I go talk. He's trying to find the other customers.
Go ahead, because I'm going to beat the bitch up.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah.
What happened? They just
Nothing.
bumped
They're
into you,
just
or what?
disrespectful, not minding. People, you know what? People should mind their business.
I agree.
I'm a mental health person. I'm off my meds. Everybody knows, including your department. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay?
And I'm just trying to figure out.
And I'll tell you, what happened was I threatened her. She approached me.
Yeah.
And then the other man told me to shut up. They didn't mind their business.
I agree. Is it cool if I just get your info, just so they know who I'm talking to?
It's in the computer, man. Run the plates. I'm not giving you nothing. I got to put my kids in
Okay.
the car.
Are you the registered owner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so no one's flagging me down yet. Were any employees, was she directly threatening any employees?
No,
including yourself?
I was the first point of contact. She did not threaten.
No weapons?
Not that I saw.
Hey, she threatened me too, but I'm worried about her kids. I'm a mental health CPR teacher.
Okay.
And those kids are in bad shape.
How close were you when she said she was going to kill you?
Well, I stopped talking to him, I turned around, and then she's saying, and I'll shoot you too. I'll shoot you
Any
too.
weapons seen? Did you think she was going to kill you?
She was pretty outraged, and I've had people attack me for less.
Do you want to press charges?
Do you?
No, that's not how that works.
She was going out that door looking for the people that she threatened.
She was going to run over with their
right
car.
now, no one is out there, though, flagging us down. That's why I'm trying to figure out who actually
Well,
wants
is there
to
any
be
way
here.
that you can go and
We're talking to her right now, but
get the
my
kids?
job... We'll investigate that further, but right now my job is to see if there's anyone in here who's willing to be a victim and press charges. Because that determines how much, what we're going to do out there, because I don't want her to get, hurt or anything if I don't have, and it's not something that you...
I'm going to keep looking.
Well,
it's not something you converse with other people, like...
I got you.
Thank you.
I'm just a little freaked out because, I mean, she said, I'll be waiting outside for you. I'll kill you with my car. I have a gun in my car. I'll
so that's
shoot
what I'm
you.
asking is, do you want to be a victim to a crime and provide me a statement?
Yeah, I can give you a statement.
Give me a statement, but do you want to press charges against her for your own?
Yeah, as long as she can't find me, yeah.
Okay.
Man, listen, I already got a CPS worker too. They was trying to scare me with CPS. I already have a worker with CPS.
I'm not trying to scare you with CPS.
No, but they can't scare me because I work with the CPS department. They are supporting me and my family because I'm a single black mom. And it don't matter if I was single, black, white, purple, or green. Me and CPS is working with me.
Are you Dominique?
Yes.
Did I pronounce that right?
Dominique.
Dominique. Got it. Okay, well, you mind just hanging with me, Dominique? You can put your kids away, obviously.
Yeah, let me put them away.
For sure.
And let me get them a snack or something. Hi.
She's just putting her kids in the car.
Yeah, all this for little old me. What's up?
So, Dominique, so what happened?
What's up? I just told you what happened. You want me to repeat myself in front of her?
I know you said they're upset.
They're upset because they was talking to me when I was with my kids, and I turned around and made a whole bunch of threats. Don't address me when I'm with my children. I'm by myself. I have no man. 2 men addressed me. 2 grown-ass men. I'm 37 years old. They were probably his age. Come on, man. Hey, you're not going to address me with my children.
They were trying to undress you? Or
No, address me.
Okay.
Quit playing with my words.
I just couldn't
Don't
hear
do
you.
that. I said address. You heard me.
No,
I
did
said
not.
address
That's
me.
why I'm telling
Why
you.
would I say they want to address me?
Well, Dominique, we're just trying to figure it all out,
Man,
okay?
don't do that. That's rude. That was rude what she just said.
I know they're being rude.
Man, I don't need my green card. I don't like that. I'm very upset.
I thought she was going to attack somebody,
Okay, in
whether
what
it be
way?
me or whatever.
but-
Well, she was threatening that she had a gun. She was threatening to hit us with a car. So because I didn't see one, I don't know if she didn't have one. So
Did
yeah,
you
I
feel personally threatened?
of course I
safety?
felt threatened.
Okay. Sir, I understand that you were involved.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what happened?
She's just yelling and screaming at everybody.
Did she make any personal threats to you?
She did. She threatened to hit me with her car when I went outside.
Okay.
I was more concerned for her kids.
Okay. When, given everything that happened in mind, so you felt your personal safety was in jeopardy?
No, I felt her kids' safety was in jeopardy.
You didn't feel personally?
No.
Okay. Do you want to provide a statement, a recorded statement? No? Okay. All right, thank you. I'm going to go find this other lady I talked to.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate you just hanging with us, Dominique.
Yeah.
We'll get this figured out.
No problem. I don't care. I said, listen, I cooperate. I'm not one of those citizens. And I will beat a bitch up and go do my time. If it wasn't for these boys, then nobody will be safe. If I didn't have kids, nobody would be safe. If I didn't have kids, I would be in Purdy a long time ago.
What else are you up to today, Dominique, besides Safeway?
I gotta go, my godmother and my uncle, who's a U.S. Navy vet, I have to go take them the ground beef, their bread, and the organic bananas that she asked for. Then I'm taking my black ass home. Is there anything else? Because now I gotta go take her ground beef.
Got it.
Because she asked for it.
We have someone possibly detained. This person may or may not be the person responsible. It's important to identify those who are innocent as well as those who are guilty, okay?
So who are we waiting on, you guys?
The person inside.
Oh, okay. And I did make a lot of threats. I told the girl, she was up on me. I told her if she didn't back up, I will shoot her. I did say that.
Do you have weapons on you now?
No.
Okay.
But I'm gonna do what I gotta do. The fuck do you mean? The better back up. Thank God my best friend told me not to purchase a weapon. The mental health told me not to get a weapon.
Hey, Paul, can you just have her look at Starbucks really quick? Okay. Right there?
Yep.
Okay, perfect, thank you. 4-6, we have positive ID.
2 witnesses gave independent accounts. Both described the same threats in the same sequence. Then the subject confirmed, unprompted and on camera, that she had made every threat witnesses described. The law requires only that a reasonable person would have believed the threat was real. 2 witnesses said they did. She confirmed she meant it. That satisfies every element of the charge.
I don't even got no water. I can't breathe. When you guys got water, I'm about to throw up.
Yeah.
My blood pressure is high.
We can get you
And
some.
when I'm in a manic episode, my blood pressure rises. I don't want to pass out. Please.
Because I will tell you right now, you are under arrest for harassment. Okay.
Take the kids, call CPS. Let me have somebody come get my kids.
Okay.
Hold on.
We can let you do that.
Yeah.
Do you have any other weapons on you right now? She's been advised she's under arrest.
Don't touch me yet. Let me have them get my kids.
Call someone, there's 2 kids in the car.
Yeah, I gotta have somebody come get my kids.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you had a phone call.
Floyd, Cuddy, I'm going to jail. I'm at the 320th at Safeway. I was getting something for your mom to bring it to her, but a white man approached me. And a black lady. I threatened them. Now I'm getting arrested for harassment. I have the kids in the car. Is Liz home?
Hey, Dominique.
Where's Liz?
Okay.
I don't have her number. I need somebody to come get the
Alfred
boy.
says just cite and release.
I'm about to go to jail.
So you guys can clear.
Okay.
You guys can clear. We're just going to cite and release.
So where is this going?
Cite and release.
Issue a citation here.
All right. Let me call back. Thank
We
you.
have
I
one
can't
cooperative
do that
and
right
other
now.
people who
But
are
I'm willing.
uncooperative, so he's not willing to go.
Hold on. I'm sorry. Let me call him back. They said they're not taking me. It's all good, Cuddy. They're not taking me. No, I'm about to take your mom her bread and her ground beef, and I'm going home.
Site if you have her identified.
Okay.
Or do you want me to do that?
No, I got the second. Yeah.
I'll see you
can
later.
clear as
You're
well.
good. Thank you.
Goodbye.
update.
Fine.
We're trying to do you a solid by not taking you to jail.
I respect that.
We care about the kids. We care about you being present with them. We don't want to traumatize them by watching their mom get arrested, right?
Thank you, Officer Paul.
You're very welcome. So I'm going to work on that, hang tight with my partners.
I'll be right here.
That all just disappear.
Appreciate you being cool with us. I know it's been a frustrating day.
I'm not the enemy, man. But when somebody listen, all that happening to them, people started with me. I was just in there and I accidentally bumped his cart and he thought I yelled at his daughter.
We're gonna get you out of here soon, Dominique.
Thank you. I'm just gonna take my auntie her stuff and I'm going home. You guys will never see me again, I promise.
I was looking for some special drink that my granddaughter wants because she had her tonsils out. So I stopped and asked the manager there where it was, and I guess she thought I was talking about her. I really don't know, but she pointed at me and she said, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to run you over with my car, and I have a gun in my car. I'll shoot you all. So, yeah, it was a little intimidating. But it's mostly the children. She was calling the children names and shaking them in the cart, and then she picked one up and threw him in the cart, and then the other kid was like, no, I don't want to go. So she grabbed him and she goes, I know you don't want to, but they're making me. And she just threw them into the cart. It was very upsetting.
So she looked at you, she pointed at you.
And said, I'm going to run you, I'm going to wait. She said, I'm going to wait outside and run you over with my car, or I'm going to get my gun and I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to shoot them all.
Officers placed her under arrest for harassment. She had just finished explaining herself. Dominique was charged with harassment, a Class C felony carrying up to 5 years. The officers get a B+. 2 independent witness statements were secured before the arrest decision was made. Under the objective reasonableness standard established in Graham versus Connor, every step taken here holds up. Dominique gets a D. She threatened 2 people with a vehicle and a firearm in a public store, then confirmed those threats to a uniformed officer. The right to remain silent was available the entire time. The witnesses get an A. Specific, consustained, and cooperative. That specificity built the case. One legal takeaway from this footage: the Fifth Amendment protects against compelled self-incrimination, not voluntary disclosure. Every word she said after officers arrived became evidence against her. Silence cannot be used against you. Words can. Hit subscribe for more Bodycam legal analysis. Drop a comment. What sentence would you give? We will see you in the next one.
I can't believe that when that girl said I was embarrassing her. She sounded like a raccoon. In our black community, we call those guys raccoons.
What is that?
A raccoon is somebody who is, bows down to the government. You know what I'm saying? Obeys law. Not that I don't obey a law, but like, you see that these people are in the wrong and you're going to speak up for them.
Yeah. Was she the one that was involved in all this, or just a random
person? She kind of approached me and was like, you're embarrassing yourself in our color, and I care about your kids. I told her if she don't back up, I will beat her to death.
Yeah.
And then she spoke to my kids right in front of me.
Yeah, that's...
So you see why I don't need a weapon, and I never will get a weapon. I won't survive with a weapon. Nobody will survive with a weapon. Not if I have one. My disorder might tell me to shoot everybody. And it ain't even a voice, it's me. Like, just shoot everybody. I won't do that though. I have kids. If I didn't have kids, I'd be in prison.
Dominique, sorry to interrupt you. I know you're on a phone call.
Floyd, Cuddy, I'm going to jail. I'm at the 320 at Safeway. I was getting something for your mom to bring it to her, but a white man approached me. A white man approached me and a black lady. I threatened them. Now I'm getting arrested for harassment. I have the kids in the car. Is Liz home?
Stood here and said, kill everybody.
Hey, Dominique.
Where's Liz?
Okay.
I don't have her number. I need somebody to come get the boys. I'm about to go to jail.